Hello everyone, my name is Ashwini Sharma and I am a student of Ajinkya D.Y. Patil University and I am pursuing my BCA in Cloud Technology and Information Security and I am studying in my last semester. Today I am going to present on my internship review and share some experiences. Let's move ahead. Let me give you my internship detail. So my job profile is Software Quality Assurance Executive Trainee and the internship duration is of 6 months starting from 1st February 2021 to 31st July 2021 and the company where I am working is Megatech Information Systems. Let me give you an introduction about the company I am working in. Megatech. Megatech started its full-fledged IT operation in the year 2000 and has undertaken many projects for its clients to complete their satisfaction and meet their requirement. It places great value on relationships, which is an integral part of the Megatech culture and believes in collaborative growth. We have policies ensuring that the IT services and solutions meet customers' requirement and whatever the requirements they ask from us are delivered on time. The software we develop are user friendly and are technically well designed and developed. Moving forward, let us see what services our company provide. Our business solutions are sufficiently robust for ensuring continuous operation and changing the conditions. They are customer centric and user friendly as I discussed earlier. Whatever the products our company develops are user friendly so that the customer does not face any problem while using it. There are some of the services which our company mainly provides. They are such as database software, application software, embedded software, system software, web applications. Let us see what are the focus area of our Megatech company. Our primary focus has always been the shipping and maritime service industry, for which we have built numerous software applications as per the needs of our client. We have an expert knowledge about all the requirements of this industry as the seniors of the company, and the company head has a expert knowledge about the maritime and shipping service industry, what all the requirements softwares are needed in that industry. They have an expert knowledge regarding that. What all projects are there in this company? As being an intern in the company, for the profile of software quality assurance, I am currently being assigned under a project. Being a confidential, I cannot tell the exact detail of the project. Still, I have managed to somehow explain about the project I am working on. This project is based on the navigation software which is in the process of development. It is not yet developed, it is in the process. Soon it will be developed. This software will be helpful on ships as it will be easy for them to navigate through the seas and help them through the directions. What are the daily tasks I do during my internship period? I prepare plan for the project, participate in the meetings, maintain records of the data, review work products, report the records to management team, follow up from the client and developer team, being specific about client's requirement and seeing whether the developer team are working according to the client's requirement or not. Use the testing tool as I have mentioned in the previous review that I am working on Telric Test Studio tool, which is an automated tool, and through that tool only I check the project code and do the testings. Apart from this, I also prepare PPTs for the company during the meeting time. As the project is still in the developing stage, there is a lot to learn from it, but till now I have learned regarding the project. I have gone through the data of the previously developed project and the process what they have used in it. During this internship period, I have learned how the work is being handled professionally and managed in a workplace. Being an SQA trainee, my responsibility is to take continuous follow-ups from the client and fulfill the requirements, testing the software and reporting it to the senior team. And apart from this, as the project is still in development stage, I will be learning it more. To conclude, I would like to thank our professors and project guide for sharing their knowledge and helping us in every possible way. I would especially like to thank Dimple ma'am being my project guide. She has helped me throughout this period and clear all the doubts so that we students don't face any issues and give our best during the review process. With this internship, I have learned a lot of new things and gained knowledge as it will be helpful for my future ahead. Thank you.